Yeah, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone and our doctor. We are from Group 3. We'll present our project which is engineering professional practice. For our group, we select the question one which is we will discuss about will engineers serve as better leaders. So this is our group member which is Muhammad Fikri Hamdan, me and Syain Rawan, Muhammad Firdaus, Muhammad Fauzi, and Nuljana Surahat. This is will be our content. Okay, first of all, engineers have long been instrumental in shaping the world through their creative problem solving and technical expertise. They will design, construct, improve structure, product, and system, which is taking a wide range of responsible. Will the engineer excel in technical roles? This is the question we will solve in this presentation. We will explore the qualities and skills that make engineers well suited for leadership position as well as potential challenge they may face. We aim to gain a comprehensive understanding of whether engineers can indeed thrive as leaders. First of all, we will discuss about the advantage of engineer as a leader. The first one is the communication skills, which is consists of three, which clear communication of complex idea, effective public communication, presentation skills, and communication skills development. After that, this is the collaboration skills, which is consists of the interdepartmental collaboration, building consensus, and trust and job performance. Next.
Thank you, Shah Indrawan. So I will continue. So the advantage of engineer as a leader is problem solving abilities that has in certain engineer. So engineer possess a natural problem solving aptitude. So they are well trained to tackle technical challenge and find innovative solution. This problem solving mindset has been can be translated into innovative can be translated into a leadership roles. So leaders often encounter multifaceted issues that require creative problem-solving approaches. So this can make engineers excel in identifying root cause and evaluating alternative solutions. So they implement effective strategies to overcome obstacles by employing their problem-solving abilities. Engineers guide teams in resolving complex problems, and also last but not least, they foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. So my second point is adapt adaptability. So adaptability is a crucial attribute for effective leadership. So basically, we know engineers are customer to working in dynamic environments such as technologies, market demands, and project requirements evolve rapidly in their field. So engineer possess the ability to adapt to the any new circumstances and embrace change. They have the flexibility to adjust strategies, plans as circumstances evolve. Engineers proactively respond to unexpected challenge and maintain progress. So they analyze risk, consider trade-off, and make informed decision in changing environments. So engineers also foster adaptability within their team, cultivating a culture of resilience and agility. Leaders with adaptability navigate uncertain landscape and drive organizational growth. Adaptability is particularly valuable in globalized world, leading diverse teams and organizations. So,
Um, okay, thank you to Mr. Fikri. Okay, for my point, this is the last of the pros, which is ethical. Engineers are bound by professional codes of ethics, emphasizing integrity, safety, and responsibility. These principles serve as a foundation for ethical leadership. Engineers bring a strong sense of accountability to their roles, prioritizing the well-being of their teams, stakeholders, and society at large. Their commitment to the ethical practices can create a culture of trust and integrity within an organization, fostering long-term success. Okay, I will give you an example. An engineer is faced with a decision situation regarding the use of substandard materials in construction project. This situation in construction project, despite pressure to cut costs, the engineer upholds their ethical integrity by refuse the compromise on quality and safety. They adhere to professional standards and prioritize the well-being of the end users and the public, even if it means additional expenses or potential conflicts with stakeholders. Next. Okay. Before this, there's those are the pros for engineers being the better leader. Now, this is the advantages engineer as a leader. The first cons is language barrier. Engineers often communicate in technical jargon that may not be easily understandable to non-technical team members or stakeholders. This language barrier can hinder effective communication, collaboration, and the ability to convey the ideas and concepts clearly to a broader audience. I will give you an example. So, in an engineering team composed of members of different countries, the primary language of communication is English. However, one team member has limited proficiency in English. Maybe the English is not their main or native language, which creates a language barrier. During team meetings and discussions, the individual struggles to understand and express their ideas effectively, leading to miscommunication and breakdown in information exchange. As a result, import, important project details may be lost or misunderstood, impacting the team's ability to collaborate and make informed decisions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Muhammad Firdaus for the first point of the advantage of the engineer as a leader. Okay, the second point is the lack of soft skill. Lack of soft skill required to properly manage people. Soft skill usually referred to an interpersonal or people skills are crucial for establishing lasting connection, speaking clearly with others and resolving issues within them. Lack of consideration for soft skills may result in a breakdown in communication, misunderstanding, and conflict, which may delay project and have a detrimental effect on the team morale. As we know, uh, as we know that communication skill is important to we communicate with other team work and with team members. And if we lack of the communication with the team members, and it will affect the work of whole team. Okay, the next point is focus on technical detail. Focus on technical detail can sometimes make it challenging for engineers to understand the broader implication of their decision. Engineers must emphasize on the technical complexity. If the engineer spend too much time on technical matters, the engineer might neglect to pay attention to other important aspects of leadership. An engineer who is overly preoccupied with the technical details may develop rigid thinking, concentrating on the technical details of a project and ignoring other crucial components that can make or break its success. Such a way of thinking can lead to poor planning, a lack of collaboration or communication between teams or departments, and general lack of vision. As a result, the engineer might come up with technically sound solutions that, however, cannot be put into practice because of logistical difficulty or because it cannot satisfy the needs in the end of user. And the next is the conclusion of our discussion and our topic is that in conclusion, engineer possess important skill to be a good leader with their communication skill, collaboration skill, problem solving abilities, adaptability, and have professional ethic. It is clear show that engineer can be served as a leader. Engineer is someone that have capability to be a good leader, even though they are lacking in a few aspects, but that is not the obstacle for them to be a good leader. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.